Alright. Let's try to shoot this from 50 yards. And at this distance, it's a frickin' challenge. Get inside the catch box.
There we go. Solid hit. That's the one I wanted.
What did we get here? Oh, how's the ways? It's like trying to shoot long ways at a little target. And here's our 50-yarder. Blew out the back again. Made a mess inside. But boom. This was pretty centered when it hit it. This one here was a graze. And you could see if it's a graze, it's not good enough. But when it sinks, boy. Let's make sure I'm getting this here. Okay, there's an entry. There's changes here. There we go. It's like trying to shoot fish in the ocean, man. It's 50 yards is just far enough away where your height and any little air you make, you're gonna see it. I kind of been tearing up my catch box. Look, these little pieces have been knocking off the edges because it's hard to even keep it in here. That was my third try. I was going to shoot 20 again, didn't have to, but it was getting frustrating. It's really hot out today. It's beautiful, but like I said, 50 yards is pretty far away for a slingshot anyway. And this is a pretty small target. I got lucky. But it shows it's still functioning, pushing enough energy to punch right through that. Alright, somebody asked me about the thickness, so we'll find out. Okay. So we'll take it with us here, and I'm going to go find out how thick this is. Give me a pair of calipers. We'll measure that real quick. Some of my projects. Alright. Let's go see how thick it is, how thick the material is on the can. Alright. Looks like 9 thousandths. A little bent there though. Six there, but this has been stretched, so hard to say. Thicker in the one area is pretty strong. 9, 8. Not real thick. There's 7. So it's probably about what it is, 7 thousandths. Be careful, get your ass cut. But that ball went right through it, no problem. That's 50 yards. So what's the next X? 60, I guess. I'll tell you what, shooting this long distance really shows your errors or any mistake you make, and it's really hard to judge distance after about 35. It starts dropping dramatically. Anyway, I hope you can see this. That was fun. Things like this, it just keeps it interesting. Love shooting my slingshot, you know what I mean? This is what I use to set the distance with, my Bushnell rangefinder here. And it's from my bow, but see if we can get it to show. Sorry about that quality, but I just wanted to show you the distance.